Good morning, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's English class. I hope you all would have enjoyed your vacation. Let's start our academics from today onwards. So, follow the class and understand the things properly, children. In our today's session, we are going to see two compositions. The first one is notice writing and the second one is diary entry. Children, now let's get into the session. Children, first let's see about notice writing. What is meant by notice writing and how to write notice writing? A notice is meant to give information to people. So, children, notice is a thing to give information to the people, or it can be used for school purpose also for giving information to the students. You may have seen a notice for a sudden declaration of a holiday or to inform students of some special program being held in school. So, likewise, you may have seen some information on the notice board of your school about some new rules and regulations to be followed by the students. Children, notice writing, it helps to give information for a large number of people without circulating it individually. Such notice will be put up on a permanent place for everybody to read. So that is known as notice writing. So children, that's all about the definition of notice writing. Let's move on and see how to write and the format of notice writing. Children, look at the picture carefully. The first and foremost thing, you have to draw a box, that is the border. Inside that, you should write the notice writing. That is the first thing you have to do, children. See the first thing, it was given as XYZ International School Delhi. That is the institution or the school name you have to write first. So children, be clear. First you have to draw a box, that is border. Inside that you have to write the notice. The first thing, you have to write the name of the school and the place. And look at the next thing, that is very important. We need to write in every notice, we have to mention it as notice. NOTICE, notice. It should be written next. And look at the next line. We need to mention the date, month and year clearly. It should be near by the margin. The next important thing, you need to write the title, that is for what purpose you are writing the notice. It can be any competition or it can be about any function. That must be written in the middle of the page. So the next important thing, it's our body of the notice. So here only we are going to describe everything about the incident, about the title, what is going to happen, when is going to happen and where it is going to happen. So it should be clear and precise with who are all the people need to come, the participants, date, place, venue, everything will be clearly explained in the body of the notice. So as a conclusion, at last, this is the final part of the notice writing. It should be near by the margin. There you have to write the name of the writer, that is the notice writer, and his designation in the next line with his signature. So these three things must be there near by the margin in the last part of our notice writing. So children, that's all from the format of writing notice writing. Now I think you might have clear about the format, how to write it in the composition note. Now let's move on to the composition part with our today's notice writing, that to be written in the composition note. So children, as a continuation of the formal and informal letter, that is our exercise number 1 and 2. This today's session is for notice writing. That is our exercise number 3, and date should be written as 28/9/20. Okay, children. So write the exercise number as 3 and with date 28/9/20. See the title, notice writing. So notice writing. See how I have drawn line with double line margin. Okay, so likewise you have to draw the line using scale pencil and write the title in the middle of the composition note. Okay, so this is the question area that should be written in the left side of the note. So be clear, whenever you write composition, you have to write the question only in the left side, children. Okay, so I'll see the question here for the notice writing. I'll read it for you. Write a notice. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the junior inter-school cricket tournament. Okay, children. So you are going to write a notice that should be pinned up in the notice board, and you are going to invite the students, that is the participant, for the what competition? For the junior inter-school cricket tournament. For the tournament, you are inviting the students to come and participate for that. Okay, so see here the next part of the question. Your school is Bharati Academy and you are the sports secretary of your school. So this is the question. So you have to mention the school name as Bharati Academy and you are the person. At the last you will be signing in the designation, no, with your name and designation. There you have to mention yourself as sports secretary of your school. Okay, children. So that's all from the question. So write neatly in the left side of your composition note this question for the title for our today's session, notice writing, exercise 3 with date 28/9/20. So that's all from the question, children. Let's move on to the answer that should be written in the right side of your composition note. So children, this is the right side. That is, we are going to write the answer here. So you must write the answer only in the right side, children. So as I told you in the question, the same thing must be followed in the right side also with your exercise number 3 and date 28/9/20, and the title must be written in the middle of the composition note, that is notice writing, and draw lines using scale pencil, double line there. Let's move on to the answer here. As I told you clearly in the format of our notice writing that we saw before, the same thing we should follow. Writing that should be written only inside the box. As it is notice, it should be written inside a box. And see here how I have drawn line and it was inside the box. Yes. So the first thing of our notice writing is our organization name, that is the institution or school name, that must be in the first area of our notice writing. Okay, inside the box, the first thing is the title of the school name. The school name must be there. That is, here we have written Bharati Academy with place, comma. So here I have used Bharati Academy, comma, Namakkal. Okay, so that was the first thing you have to write inside the notice. Then leave one line. In this next line, you should write in the middle of the box, center of the box, you should write all the things, that is the name of the institution and place, notice, everything should be written in the middle, because as these are all the titles, the headings of the notice writing, we should write in the middle. Okay, so notice must be written always in capital. So be clear, children, the headings and the title, name of the school, place, everything should be written in capital only. So see here, Bharati Academy, comma, Namakkal, everything I have written in capital, as well as after leaving one line I have written the notice, that was also in capital. So write these things in the capital and it should be in the center of the box. Okay, next is our month, date and year. Okay, so you should write clearly as September, and date must be written there 28 comma the year 2020. That must be near the margin, means here the box. Okay, that must be the left side. It must be in the left side corner of the notice box. Okay, then leave one line. Then we need to write the title of the subject notice. Title of this notice is that our competition. What competition we are going to do? That competition must be written in the middle of the center of the page. Okay, children. So here the competition here, that is junior inter-school cricket tournament. Okay, that is the competition. So that must be in the middle of the box. Okay, that is also to be written in the capital letters. So be clear, children. So where I have left the lines and where I have used the capital title, school name and the place, then leave one line, then notice, then near in the left side corner we should write the month, date, comma, year, then leave one line. Then next thing is our title of the subject, that is the competition. Okay, that is junior inter-school cricket tournament. So that's all from these headings, children. Let's move on to the body of the notice now. Okay, so see the body of the notice here. So about what we are going to write about the junior inter-school cricket tournament. So I'll read it for you, children. This is to inform all students that junior inter-school cricket tournament will begin from 30th October in our school ground. So I'll repeat, children. This is to inform all students that junior inter-school cricket tournament will begin from 30th October in our school ground. All boys in the age group from 10 to 14 who wish to play may give their names to the Sports Secretary, Cricket Association, Bharati Academy by 11th October 2020. So this was the body of the notice writing, children. So I'll repeat it again. This is to inform all students that junior inter-school cricket tournament will begin from 30th October in our school ground. All boys in the age group from 10 to 14 who wish to play may give their names to the Sports Secretary, Cricket Association, Bharati Academy by 11th October 2020. So this was the body of the notice writing, children. This is the way you should write the notice writing and the body clearly about the competition and the instruction about to the participant, how when it is going to start and where it is going to done, and the place, everything, and to whom you should give the names to the Sports Secretary, Cricket Association. Everything should be clearly mentioned there inside the body of our notice writing. Okay, children, so that's all. This is our final and last part. That as it is composition, we should not supposed to mention our names. So instead of that, I have mentioned here the name, that is as XXXX. Okay, or you can give ABC, or you can use Y or Z, something else can be given, but you should not mention your name here. Okay, and at last the designation is Sports Secretary. Okay, so leave one line after the body of the notice, then give the name, that is as symbols as XXX, and the last one is designation, that is Sports Secretary. So you have to close the box and the notice writing must be inside the box only, children. So that's all from our notice writing. This is the format of writing notice writing, children. So be clear and write neatly in your composition note as it is I have given and explained here. Follow the same. and do the things properly. That's all from the notice writing, children. Let's move on to the next part, that is our diary entry. Children, do you know what is meant by diary entry? Yeah. And how to write a diary entry? Listen carefully. A diary entry is a short composition that records the writer's thoughts, reactions, feelings about the activities which he or she has take part during a particular day. It helps give an outlet to emotions which the writer is not able to disclose to any of his friends and family. A diary is generally not meant to be read by anyone else than the writer. So children, this is the general introduction and the definition of diary entry. Now let's see the format of writing diary entry. Children, let's see the format of writing diary entry. Look at the format here. First, you have the question. Today, you celebrate Independence Day at your school, but you are not satisfied with the attitude of people towards freedom. They consider that they are free to spoil the country and soil its image. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings. So this was the question, children. Okay, look at the answer here. This is the format of writing diary entry. The question must be written in the left side and the answer must be written in the right side. So this is the rule for the composition. Okay, so let's see the answer here. Look at the answer. First you need to write day, date, month, year. Okay, so first format you have to write the date, day, month, year. Then you have to write the time. So as it is diary, it's a personal record for us, for our reference. We maintain for our personal use, that to remember, to recall the incident that was happened in everyday's life. It's a personal diary that nobody can read it. So to remember that date and day and month, so we need to write the date, day, month, year, everything clearly first. Then write the time. At what time you are writing the diary, you should write the time. Then leave a line. Then salutation. Salutation is very, very important. That is, dear diary. Salutation is very, very important, children. That is, dear diary. Okay. Salutation, children. We need to go to the body of the diary entry. So see here, what is the body of the diary entry? Here, body, you should write the content that was happened today, and what you feel about your expression, everything will be explained here in the body of the letter. Look at the body of the letter here. Today I am just pondering over the condition of India. We are about to complete 70 years of independence. But where have we reached? Every year we commemorate the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters on this pious. Pious means devotedly religious national festival. Wave flags, sing patriotic songs, and show off our patriotism by posting patriotic image on social media, and the very next day we discard those flags in the drains. When I see the heaps of garbage everywhere, small kids working as kids laborers, people dying because of lack of food or medical treatment, discriminating against women, I feel ashamed of myself. So this was the feeling that you are expressing here in your body of the diary entry. Okay, children. Then at last, leave line. Then you have to write the signature. Here they have written the name, but as composition you should not mention your name, children. So instead of your name, you have to use some symbols like XXX, XYY, ZZZ. Like that, you can just write alphabets instead of your name. So this is the format of your diary entry. First you need to write date, day, month, year, everything clearly. Then to mention at what time you are writing the diary, you should write the time. So you should mention the time. And the next one, salutation, that is very very important, that is dear diary. So format of the diary entry is very very important, children. So whatever the composition it is, the format is very very important. You should not change the format. Follow the same format and write as it is in the composition note neatly and legibly. Okay, so first you need to write date, day, month, year, then time, then salutation, dear diary. Then you need to express the body of the diary. Next, inside the salutation, after the salutation you need to write the body of the diary. At last you should end with the signature. So see, this is the format of writing diary entry, children. So follow the same thing, and we are going to write the composition with the composition and the diary entry now. So this is just a format. Let's see the diary entry, that what you are going to write in the composition. I'll explain you line by line now. Children, look at the fourth exercise. It is our diary entry. So you have to write exercise number 4, date 29/9/20. So children, write exercise number 4, date as 29/9/20. Okay children, and see here how I have drawn line. So you have to write diary entry in the middle of the page, that is the title. It should be in the middle of the page, and draw lines, double line. Okay, look at the question here. Let me read the question for you. So you are the secretary of the welfare organization. You are the secretary of the welfare organization of your school. Under your leadership, the organization was able to collect a substantial amount for the old age home Help Me. Okay children, so question is, you are the secretary of the welfare organization of your school. Under your leadership, the organization was able to collect a substantial amount for the old age home Help Me. So Help Me is the name of the old age home. And see here, express your sense of pride and happiness in the form of a diary entry. Express your sense of pride and happiness in the form of diary entry. So this is the question, children, for your exercise number 4, diary entry. This should be written in the left side of your composition note. So be clear, children. So write this question and exercise number, date, title must be in the center. Then you have to write this question. So be clear, children. This should be written only in the left side of your composition note. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to see the answer. That should be written in the right side. Okay children. Children, now we are going to see the diary entry, the answer here. As I told you, in the question side, in the right side also you need to write exercise number again, 29/9/20, date again, and the title must be the same, diary entry. That should be written in the center of the composition note. Okay children, draw a double line. After that, in the same way like our notice, for the diary entry also we need to draw a box. Okay, so we have to draw a box. Inside only we need to write the diary entry. Okay, so first we need to write day, date, month and year. So see here, Monday 28th September 2020. So everything must be clear, as we are going to write diary to show day, date, month, year. The format is Monday, 28th September 2020. Okay children. Then time, at what time you are writing the diary, that should also be mentioned there. So in the next line, 10:45 p.m. So clearly you need to mention the time of the diary entry. Okay, you are writing diary, then leave one line, then dear diary is very important. Dear diary, so dear diary is very important, children. The first thing, it is our salutation, dear diary, comma is very important. And let's see the body of the diary entry. Here only going to express the happiness and what all happened on the day, that we are going to write here. Okay, so see, I am proud to be a part of the welfare organization. See where I have started the line, just below the comma we need to start the first line. Okay children, that is known as indent. So you have to indent and write. So just below the comma you need to start the line, I am proud to be a part of the welfare organization of my school, as I always wanted to help the old people. Okay, so this was the content. I am proud to be a part of the welfare organization of my school, as I always wanted to help the old people. Next line, through, THROUGH, through various activities. Through various activities, we collected a sum of 50,000. Through various activities, we collected a sum of 50,000. Okay, children. Next line. This fund will take care of their health care. This fund will take care of their health care, comma, entertainment and adult education. This fund, 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 will take care of their health, HEALTH, health care, 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 health care, comma, entertainment, ENTER, enter, TAIN, MENT, entertainment and adult, ADULT, adult education. So this is the content body of the diary entry, children. See, the last concluding statement is that I feel content and happy like never before. I feel content and happy like never before. So this was the final statement of the diary entry. Leave line, then you have to write the symbol, that is name. Instead of name we need to mention XXX. So children, now you must clear about the notice writing and the diary entry, how to write in the composition note. So follow the same instruction and write neatly in the composition note, neatly and legibly, and send it in the group.